Look, what a beautiful pinto. A coffee custard flan is very easy to make and with just a few ingredients. Hello, sweet tooths. Today I'm excited because I love custard flans. And on top of that, if we make it coffee flavored, it's even better. The first thing I'll do is pour milk into a saucepan, specifically 1 liter or 5 cups. But as you can see, first I only pour a small amount because in it I'm going to dissolve cornstarch, 3/4 of a cup or 90 grams. Some also call it corn flour or cornstarch. We'll stir it, and once it's dissolved, then add the rest of the milk until we reach a liter. We give it a few stirs, and now we take 2 large eggs, size L, and add sweetener to taste. I'm going to add quite a bit of erythritol, but you can use whatever you like, as long as you enjoy it, of course. You give it a few stirs, and now the egg is sweetened. We take it back to the pot and mix it a few more times, and as soon as it's combined, we move on to the coffee, which I dissolve in another cup of milk. I'm using instant coffee without caffeine. Now we give it a few stirs and add that coffee with the milk while stirring so the temperature blends evenly. A few stirs and let's cook it. We're going to put it on medium or medium-high heat at most, always stirring until it turns into a cream. After a few minutes, we have this cream. Let's try to get it even thicker. This only takes a few minutes, this creamy. And once you have it in the mold, in my case, 18 centimeters in diameter, and as you can see, I've lined it with baking paper, also known as parchment paper. We put all the cream inside and shake the mold a little so it flattens out. And into the oven, which I have preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. In about 30 minutes it will be ready. You'll know it's done because when you poke it with a toothpick, it will come out almost clean. Even if it jiggles a little in the center, as you can see here, it's already perfect. Let it cool down, and once it's cooled, put it in the fridge or refrigerator. Until it's time to enjoy it. This way the flavors come together, it stays cool, and it's even more delicious. Simply remove the paper we used to cover it. Take it out of the mold by removing the ring and take off the paper we put around it. And enjoy it. You can decorate it however you want. Some people add whipped cream, but I think it's already eye-catching enough for you to enjoy it without adding any. So, just like that, I'm gonna put it on the plate. A few coffee beans to give it a color contrast. And enjoy it. And look at how amazing this looks. Decorate it a little and enjoy. You'll leave all your guests speechless. Look at the inside, how creamy it is, and how we're cutting it with the fork, almost just with its own weight. What a wonderfully creamy delight. And easy to make, delicious, simple, creamy, fresh, all good things.